Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna. If you're new here, today we have this eyeshadow look. This eye look. It's kind of smoky, it's kind of sexy, it's kind of, you know, ABG. Anyway, alright, so let's get into it. So the first thing that I do after eyebrows is put on a layer of concealer, and then I set that layer of concealer with a skin colored eyeshadow shade just to set that down and make sure that I have a matte kind of smooth surface for my eyeshadow to go on. You can also use eye primer for this, but I actually prefer to do this instead. So we're moving on to the transition shade, and I'm taking this pink shade and this brown shade and mixing them together. And I think this is a really great color for a transition shade, especially for a smoky eye look. And I'm just taking this brush and kind of putting it all over the place, all over my eyelid, and making sure that it looks kind of seamless. It doesn't have to look perfect right now. Next, we're taking this very dense packing brush. This is from e.l.f. and we are going to take a dark color, the one that we use to mix our transition shade, and just kind of smear that onto the lower lash line. And do not worry, we are going to clean this up for sure. I just really like the smoky under eye look. So now we are taking this dark shadow again and putting that onto the outer crease and just kind of dabbing that on for now, and then slowly but surely blend that into the rest of the eye. So I like to take this opportunity to kind of wing my eyeshadow out and kind of make it look like it has that triangular shape on the outer edge, just to make sure that it has some kind of shape. And now I'm also going to smoke out the lower lash line. And here I am taking a clean brush and kind of just going over the edges just to make sure that everything is seamless. And now I'm taking this flat brush and dipping it into this gold shadow and just kind of putting it on my eyelid, and I am kind of giving it a cut crease effect, but not really. It kind of has that cut crease effect, and I'm only doing it in the front half, or the first half of my eyelid, and just making sure that that blends with the rest of the eyeshadow. And here I am redoing my eyebrows because the eyeshadow look was way too intense for a more natural eyebrow look. So I'm just making them a little more defined here. And for the finishing touches, I like to add some highlight on my brow bone, and I think with this eyeshadow look it looks really cool because adding the highlight gives you kind of that slanted eye socket look, and it looks a little bit cartoony, which I am really into. And then I put some on my inner corner, then sometimes on top of my eyebrows. It just depends on where the light hits your face. Make sure to put highlight there if you want to look really dewy and shiny. So my lashes are very short and very disappointing, and they point downwards, so I'm just putting on a little bit of mascara so that the false lashes have something to sit on, because if there was no mascara, the false lashes would kind of just droop down, and that's not very pretty, so that's what I'm doing. Okay everybody, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week. Bye!